Alright, we got everything opened back up again. Our hole is drilled. Clean the inside of the hole out. I just use the diagonal cutters, or you can use a knife or whatever. Got this nice little clip right here, which retains the top of the board as it sits in just like that. But as you can see, it's going to kind of be in the way of our pigtail, so not really difficult to remove. So next thing we're going to have to do, because as you can see, this hole is cut pretty flush with the inside of the housing. So we're going to have to make some room on this guy. Alright, and the way that I did that was as such. First you'll notice that the barrel comes off. Now the ones that I got have a little flat side right here. So I found that one flat side. This is what I had the end nippers for, not necessarily for repairing that antenna mount. Got on there, and you can do this with a grinder, you can do this with a file, whatever. This worked for me. Not going to see it once I get everything buttoned up anyway, so why not? So take that sucker, take it right off. You can even do it on the other side if you're having a little bit of trouble getting clearance over there. You're going to have to bend the inside lock washer to match, not that guy. This guy right here with the little teeth. Had to bend him to match. So I grabbed a couple of those teeth and just bent it over like that. Now you need your 2 pairs of pliers or your wrench or whatever to just kind of put a little tweak back on this guy to secure it in place. Not too much, otherwise it'll crack off. Want to ask me how I know? There we go. Now this guy's prepped to sit right inside here, like so. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room on that side. Here we go. This is the one that's going to have to sit tight on. Just like that. And should clear over there without a problem. So, I'm going to bring our board back down and go ahead and mount everything back up.